What's good, YouTube? So today we're gonna be opening this Pokemon Powers Collection bundle. It was $50 at Target. Let's see what we pull out. This is what it looks like. I paid $24 because it was in a $20 spot. And I had the Busted Karen move, and she went and checked it. Yeah. But usually it's $50, but I paid $20. So I'm not that much invested in it, guys. Okay, right. These are the ones that come in it. Ranchinies, I don't understand. But yeah, guys, we're looking for a Charizard. If we pull it, we're gonna go crazy. We're gonna go right into the Evolutions pack. This is the money one right here, guys. I'm fucking nervous, boys. If we pull a Charizard right now, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna quit my job. Okay. Here's a code. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, boys. Okay, I'm fucking nervous. Boom. Next one. Boom. Next one. Boom. Trainer. Boom. Come on, give me a Charizard. I'm gonna go fucking nuts. Oh. Oh, okay. Give me a Charizard. Let's go. This used to be my favorite Pokemon. What the fuck? We have this energy card. It's not a Charizard, so we're not going crazy over that. Oh, that was a waste of $20, guys. Okay. We still have the Sun and Moon pack, so let's go into those. We're still hoping for a Charizard, something crazy, boys. Okay, another code card. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, give me something crazy. Okay, I got an energy card. Okay. Oh, this one's hard. I like that Pokemon. Okay. 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 Come on. Give me a Charizard. Give me a Charizard. Oh, this one's actually really cool. Oh, this one's hard. I like that one. That was kind of cool too. Shadowless. Okay, not bad, guys. We're still keeping hope. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 more packs to go, so stay with me, boys. And we're uploading this same day too, so live pools. I've been seeing hella people get fucking super lucky on these, so tested my luck. Plus, I'm not that invested. I only paid 20. Okay, we're still good. Oh, this is my favorite energy card. Okay. Good start. Oh, this is hard. That's really, really hard. I'll save that one. Okay. 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 Oh, this one's hard. Okay. Oh, shit. I hate when that happens. Oh, this one's pretty cool. Oh, this one's hard. What the fuck? I've never seen that one. Oh, this one's cool, bro. Oh, that's the last one. Not that cool, though. Alright, on to the next one. Boom. We're gonna knock these out real quick, boys. I gotta get my day started already. But I went to a sneaker meetup this morning. Paid $6.50 for 3 pairs. Obsidians, gold toes, and some flints lightly worn. Obsidians were DS, but decided to keep the Obsidians, and the rest are gonna be available on Chronic X Hype on Instagram. 2, 3, 4. So check those out. We're getting ready for our Black Friday drop next week. Boom. Yeah. Okay. Let's go, boys. We're gonna pull something crazy today. Oh, this one's hard. Okay. 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 Okay, come on. Give me something fucking crazy. We got a rock shoe, race shoe. This one's not too bad. Pretty cool. Yeah, I like this one a lot. The other day also, if you guys follow me on TikTok at Los Angeles, I traded a kid a phase juice roll tee for about 100 hollows. Nothing too crazy in there. A couple Charizards, but nothing too valuable. I mean, it ended up evening it out. So those are gonna be available on my eBay. Okay, ready? Let's go. Right into it. Oh, this is hard. I don't know what it is, but this looks cool. That's really cool. I'm gonna save that. Okay. That's so fucking hard. Recycle. We'll recycle here, boys. Come on. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Let's go. Give me something great. Oh, this one's pretty cool. What the fuck? And then last one we have Reggae Rock. Okay. Still going hard, boys. 3 more packs left. 3 left. Let's go. I'm gonna find something crazy. I feel it. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. 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 Let's go. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Find me something. Let's go. Find me something. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know what this is. It looks cool as fuck though. Oh, that one's cool. Looks like my new favorite one. Alright. I still have no idea what we found. So if you guys seen something cool, fucking let me know, because I'm about to start crying. Okay, let's go. 2 packs left, and our hopes are still high. Let's go. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Give me something. Okay. Okay. That's actually really fucking cool. Okay. Whoa, that's really cool too. Okay. Hopes are high, boys. Oh, okay. 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 I don't know what it is, but Professor, it looks like my science teacher. We're not done yet. The last pack, the last chance to come up. Okay? We also got this big ass card. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Let's go. Our hopes are still high. Code card. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We lit. Let's go. Boom. 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 Oh, that one's hard. Boom. 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 Come on. Give us something fucking crazy. Boom. Okay. What? Hold on, let me look this up. Hold on, we're gonna look it up live right now. Holy shit, I don't have any sleeves. They don't give you sleeves in the thing? What is this? Bro, holy shit, that's the coolest card we pulled today. Holy shit, we're gonna go to YouTube. We're gonna go to eBay real quick. We're gonna look it up. And this is the backdrop to for our studio. I built this right here. So if it falls right now randomly, we don't know who built it. Again, I'm gonna show you guys a recap of what we did find. I don't know why I banged them. That's gonna fuck it. What if this card's worth like $1 million? I typed in eBay into this thing and Amazon pulled up. What the fuck? Okay. And it's a Lapras GX. Come on. What the fuck? Bro, this isn't even... I'm in the App Store. Dude. What the hell? Then I have to install it. No, I don't want to install it. Why can't I just... This ain't like Safari? Fuck it, we're just gonna type it in. Lapras. I don't have COVID, guys. My allergies. But yeah, go check out my TikTok, Los Angeles, I think's the name. I'm done with this fucking... I'm done with Pokemon, bro. This is like one of the hardest cards, and it's worth only fucking... It's from 2017, right? You want to see what it's worth? Let me just show you guys. And then I'm gonna do a recap of all the cards we found. Let me just show you guys. Bruh. Bruh. We are out the game now. Coolest card we found, we invested $50. Let me just show you guys a real quick on feet. What we cooking today. Let me know if I should make some sneaker vids, guys. Sorry it's a mess right now, but yes sir. Got the Essential City on today. Got the chains on today. We're dripping. This vintage cap that I did LA backwards. Peace, guys. We took an L, but we're gonna do more Pokemon videos. Like, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.